See, on Coinmarketcap, we want to look at products. Okay. So when you go to products, you have lots and lots of products here. You have campaigns, you have calendars. So let me start with products. With products, you have the converter. Let's say the converter stands, let's say you want to convert a particular crypto, like this is a cryptocurrencies converter calculator. All right, for example, 1 BTC, all right, 1 BTC today. If you select BTC and you have it in USD, if you select the currency, 1 BTC, this is what you're going to have here. Okay, this is the value of 1 BTC. You might want to take another crypto like what have you? Let's say gold. All right, you have cryptocurrencies, you have gold. All right, you have gold, and then you see the value here. So under products, you have cryptocurrency converter, and you also have the mobile apps. Okay, you have the mobile apps here. You might want to click there, and it takes you to the Coinmarketcap. We already talked about the watch list portfolio and the tools and all that. So that is the app that you have on product area on the Coinmarketcap. Then you have the blockchain explorer. The blockchain explorer actually helps you to find out what transaction is actually going on. Okay, you want to check any transaction, you put the address here. We shall be coming back to it as we shall proceed. Like if you want to see Bitcoin transaction, you can be seeing them right there. You also have under products, you also have jobs board. Okay, are you looking for a job or what's going on? All right, you can go here. Then you have cryptocurrency API. All right, this API, these are actually you might want to do payments, or you have a product, you want cryptocurrency to be accepted as payment. Then you want to use the API, right? Then you also have the side widgets, all right? Side widgets, so you can click on it, you explore that. Okay, these are some of the products that you have, but here you also have the free airdrops. Some of you want to start doing cryptos or crypto tokens without investing anything. So when you click here like this, you're going to have some of these free airdrops. And then you see the upcoming. Okay, you have overview, ongoing, upcoming, ended, and participated. So let's say this when you click on overview, okay, these are the one that are actually ended, all right, and maybe the one that is going on right now. If you want to see the one that is going on, you click on ongoing. Okay, when you click on ongoing, this one top goal, these are airdrops that are actually ongoing right now. You might want to participate in these airdrops. Okay, airdrops, they are actually crypto tokens that you want to participate there for free, but not all airdrops are free. Sometimes you can acquire them with very small amount of money, and acquiring airdrops is never a guarantee that that project is going to work. It's just a risk that you are taking. So yeah, you can participate in some of your airdrops if you actually want. Then you have upcoming airdrops. These are DeFi chain. These are all upcoming airdrops. You can participate in them coming in 6 hours from now. So all these are airdrops that you can participate in. And then you have ended airdrops. These are airdrops that have ended already. Okay, you want to see how it behaves, you click on it. And for example, this one just ended. So, and this is the price in the market. Okay, this is the price in the market, Age of Gods. So this one just ended, and you can now see when we shall come to coin analysis and how to analyze cryptocurrencies, we shall be seeing all that. Then you also have participated. All right, participated, you're going to see no available data, right? You want to see those that actually participated in a particular project, but there's no data here right now. So this is the products that you have on the product area in Coinmarketcap. And then you have the Diamond Rewards referral program. If you sign up here, okay, if you sign up here, you might want to give your referral link. If you sign up on Coinmarketcap, you can give your referral link to people to join, and then that can help you to make some money. All right, so you might want to scroll down and get your referral link and read some of the questions that frequently asked question. Okay, so this is how you invite people to actually join the Coinmarketcap, and you can actually make money from there. And still under products, we have also learn and earn. So when you go to learn and earn, you see some of the things, some of the tokens that you can participate. You can study them, and you can participate in those projects and make money in the process. You might want to do some little bit of reading when you come here. And then you also have still on that products area, you also have the ICOs. ICOs are initial coin calendar. Actually, I'm going to do another video where I'll be talking about the differences between free airdrops and the ICO. Okay, ICOs, which is known as initial coin offering. So we have the ICO calendar here. You can click on it, and you're going to see some of the ICOs that are coming on board. All right, these are some of the projects like overview ongoing right now. For those that are ongoing, you'll be able to see them here. These are projects that are ongoing right now, and you see the days that will ends in 15 minutes. All right, it will end in 15 days. This one will end maybe this one starts ends in 15 days. So start date was around the 19th of September. Okay, and it will end around the 31st. And this is their goal. They want to have $8 million. So you can actually participate in some of these ICOs. These are usually projects where they want to raise funds. Okay, they want to raise funds to launch their project, so they can start it like ICOs. And then you have upcoming. We have upcoming ICOs, the same thing. All right, you see the stage, and then the number of days that are left, and then the start date. You have the end date, and then you have the goal, what they actually want to have. So these are all ICOs. Okay, these are all ICOs, and they have those that have ended here. So if you want ICOs that are under the Binance Smart Chain network, you can click here. All these are under the Binance Smart Chain. So I'll be showing you how to buy some of these ICOs, import them in your maybe Trust wallet, maybe MetaMask wallet very soon. I'll be showing you that in most of our videos training. So we also have here Ethereum ICO. These are ICOs that are in the Ethereum network, and then you have those that have ended so far. Okay, so the last thing under products, we have seen ICO calendar. You might want to participate in any of them. I will show you again how to participate in all this. And then you also have event calendar. All right, you want to see or take part in some of the major events that are coming on board. You might want to read this YouTube AMA. Okay, so you might want to read and see some of the major things that are happening in our crypto world. So you want to go to the calendar right there, and you take part in some of the major events and actually make money. Remember, first come, first save. You're actually going to make money in the process. In our next video, we shall be talking about community and learn.